Extinction feels final. A door slammed shut. A story ended forever. But sometimes that ending is just a pause. In hidden corners of our world, life persists against all odds. These are the true stories of animals declared extinct, only to reappear. Lazarus species, the ghosts who walked back into the light. Their survival is a testament to nature's resilience, and a reminder that even when all seems lost, life finds a way. Can we ensure this ancient survivor endures? In New Zealand, the takahe, a large flightless bird, was declared extinct in 1898. But in 1948, deep in the Murchison Mountains, a small population was found, vibrant blue against the grass. The takahe had survived, hidden from view, a symbol of resilience. Their rediscovery sparked a massive conservation effort. Predator control, new populations, and dedicated protection. The takahe story reminds us that extinction can be a state of invisibility, not finality. Sometimes life waits for us to look closer, and when we do, we find hope. Ball's Pyramid, a jagged rock off Australia, is home to a miracle, the Lord Howe Island stick insect. Once abundant, these tree lobsters vanished after rats invaded their island in 1918. For 80 years, they were thought extinct. But in 2001, scientists found a tiny colony clinging to a single bush on Ball's Pyramid, just 24 individuals. 2 breeding pairs were rescued, and now thousands thrive in captivity. The plan returned them to their ancestral home once rats are gone. Their survival is a story of hope, responsibility, and the power of a second chance. Even on the edge of the world, life can endure. Sometimes all it takes is a little help to bring it back. The circle, once broken, can be closed. The coelacanth, the takahe, the tree lobster, each a whisper from the wild, proof that life endures. Their stories challenge our certainty and remind us the world is still full of mysteries. These comebacks are gifts, but also warnings. Survival hangs by a thread. We must protect the wild places where life hides and waits. Because somewhere, the next impossible discovery is waiting. Life survives, in silence, in shadows, and sometimes in plain sight.